Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You want results, so pick one book and a single focused block now. Once chosen, clear visual clutter and silence notifications. This reduces reflexive checking. Set a 25-45-minute timer and place a bookmark where you'll stop. Sit in a comfortable, upright spot with a glass of water and good light to avoid interruptions. By starting immediately, you build momentum. Make sure to commit to the first full session before deciding whether the book fits your goals. Once you've started, preview the chapter quickly to set expectations and create mental hooks. Read actively, annotate margins, underline key sentences, and pause to summarize aloud every few pages because that cements comprehension. Make one question per page you can answer later. It keeps attention engaged and guides rereading. Use Pomodoro-style cycles with short breaks to recharge, and vary pace. Slow through complex sections and skim straightforward parts, so you maintain focus and avoid burnout during longer sessions. To finish a session, spend 5 minutes writing a concise summary and one actionable takeaway. This converts reading into lasting knowledge. Make sure to schedule your next 25-45-minute block before leaving the spot so you keep the habit. If you repeatedly lose focus, troubleshoot. Shorten sessions to 10-15 minutes, change your reading location, or swap to a different book that better matches your interest. These adjustments fix common attention leaks and keep you progressing toward finishing the book.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.